loads of ways to do this. You could straight away, you know, if you're completely unsure what to do, I'd sub in the Z2 and the Z3 into it from the start. This is 2015, paper 1, question 4. Because they've asked me for Z1, I'm actually going to isolate the Z1 first, and then I'll throw in what Z2 and Z3 are. But it doesn't matter which way you do it. No matter what way you do it, we're going to end up with the same answer. So I want to get rid of my fractions first. So I'm going to multiply everything by Z1. So that's what I'm starting with. Multiply everything by Z1. I'm going to multiply everything by Z2. And I'm going to multiply everything by Z3. And I'm trying to isolate Z1. So I'm going to take Z1 out in common on the right hand side. And this now tells me, so divide both sides by this. If I want Z1, I need to get 2 times Z2 times Z3 and divide it by Z3 plus Z2. Okay, I might run out of space here, but if I do, I'll just go to a page in a minute for rough work at the back. So that's 2 times Z2 I'm now filling in, times Z3 all over Z3, which is 3 minus 2i, plus Z2. So I'm actually just going to do this up here in the corner. Z3 plus Z2 gives me 5 plus I. Now I'm going to clean up that top line. Again, I'm just going to do it over here, maybe in a bit of rough work. And then I'll have Z1. So that's 2 times this gives me 4 plus 6i. And that has to be multiplied by 3 minus 2i. So that gives me 12 minus 8i plus 18i minus 12i squared, which is a plus 12. So that's 24 plus 10i. Sorry, now. I thought you could see that. So I just multiplied all this out. Hopefully I multiplied it out correctly. Who knows? If you spot a mistake, that's fine. So there's Z1. Did I give it to them in the form that they wanted? No, not yet. So they want it in this form, where A and B are integers. Right, well, what they're really saying is, you know, I don't want this fraction here. I don't want a complex number on the bottom line. So how do we do this? So this is 24 plus 10i divided by or over 5 plus I. How do I divide? Well, I could try my long division, I could try factorizing, but here it's easiest thing to do is to multiply above and below by the conjugate of the bottom number here. So I need a bit more rough work. So Sorry, now you can see this. So I have my 24 plus 10i all over 5 plus I, and I'm multiplying by 5 minus I above and below. I think that should be 120, 24 times 5. Yeah, so 120 minus 24i plus 50i minus 10i squared is a plus 10 all over 25 minus 5i plus 5i minus I squared, which is a plus 1. So that's 120 plus 10 is 130 minus 24i plus 50, it should be 26 plus 26i all over 26, 130 divided by 26 is 5 plus I. So there it is. When I multiplied above and below, I got that for Z1, 5 plus I.